Okay, let's give this question 7.1, this geometry question, a try. They give a whole lot of things here. They give us all of these points on the outside or on the circumference of the circle. They tell us that O is the center. They tell us that EH is parallel to AF, and we kind of need all that stuff, and O being the center. They tell us that F2 is 72 degrees and R1 is 22 degrees. The first question they ask is, how big is O1? Well, that's a triangle OFR, and O1 is called the exterior. It's the exterior angle of that triangle. Okay. Now the next question says, what's H1? Well, H1 is at the circumference of the circle, and O1 is at the center. So the angle at the center is 2 times as big. So if that's 100 degrees, this must be 50 degrees, right up there, half of that. You know, what might be good is just put those things in there while you're doing it. You know, it makes it a little bit easier to see. That first angle there is 100 degrees, so let's just put it in. And that angle up at the top is 50 degrees, H1. Let's put it in because it helps us to see what's going on, that's for sure. You want to put it in a sketch like that when you're doing it. There we go. Now the next angle, hey, HRT, and this point right here, which is actually A. This is A right here. And maybe I should just move that O so you can see it a bit there. A, that one right there, they form a cyclic quad. And the opposite angles of a cyclic quad add up to 180. So that's why T is 130, because of the opposite angles of a cyclic quad. Okay, there's your first part, all done. Now the next question. We know that this angle here, this angle here, F2, is the exterior angle of triangle AHF. And that's how we can figure out A2, which is 28 degrees. So there we go. We can get that. That's 28 degrees right there. That's going to help us get the next thing, which is H2. In fact, that's what they are on about. A2 is equal to 22 degrees. Now we're going to get this H2. Oh, it's 28 degrees because we've got parallel lines here. So alternate angles make this angle up here 28 degrees. There's everything figured out. That's 28 degrees because the opposite angles have to add up to the exterior angle of triangle AHF, and that's alternate angles, which are 28 degrees. Gee, I did the problem a little bit before, and I forget, even though I've done it out and the answers are right, I kind of forgot the answers, what they were. Now I see it all, and it all makes sense to me now. And there's all 7.1, all done.